How artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education, the classroom of tomorrow. Imagine waking up for school not to the sound of an alarm clock, but to your personal AI tutor softly greeting you. Good morning, Sam. Today we'll finish your physics module and take a virtual field trip to Mars. Ready when you are. Welcome to the future of education, a world where artificial intelligence isn't replacing teachers, but empowering learners like never before. This is the story of how AI is revolutionizing education and how it might just change your life too. Chapter 1: The Rise of Smart Classrooms. 10 years ago, classrooms had whiteboards, printed books, and static lesson plans. Now, every student has a personal AI learning assistant. These assistants track progress, identify strengths and weaknesses, and create personalized lesson plans in real time. If Maya struggles with fractions but excels in geometry, her AI adjusts her content instantly. No more one size fits all teaching. Teachers no longer spend hours grading papers. AI tools analyze essays, track progress, and even detect learning gaps weeks in advance. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now in pilot programs from Finland to Singapore. Chapter 2: Learning Beyond Walls. AI has taken education out of the classroom and into the world. Through augmented reality and AI, students walk through ancient Rome, explore human anatomy in 3D, and attend live lectures from Nobel laureates, all from their bedroom desks. Geography isn't just maps anymore, it's real time climate simulations powered by AI. History isn't just dates, it's conversations with AI generated historical figures. And when students have questions at 2 a.m., their AI tutors are always awake. Chapter 3: Education for All for Generations. Access to quality education depended on zip code, wealth, and luck. AI is breaking down those barriers. From rural India to remote parts of Africa, AI driven apps now teach kids who never had teachers before. AI translates content into any language. It reads aloud for the visually impaired. It uses sign language avatars for the hearing impaired. Students with dyslexia. AI highlights text in colors, proven to aid comprehension. Education is finally becoming truly inclusive. Chapter 4: The Data Advantage. AI isn't just a tutor, it's a powerful analyst. It tracks how students learn, what mistakes they repeat, how long they concentrate, and when they lose interest. Schools use this data to redesign curriculums, not every decade, but every week. Parents get real time updates, not just report cards. Teachers become coaches and guides, using AI insights to connect with students better than ever. Education is no longer based on age or grade, it's based on mastery. Chapter 5: The AI Teachers Meet Nova, the first fully AI powered teacher, now guiding middle schoolers in Japan. Nova doesn't replace human teachers, but it handles repetitive instruction, freeing up time for human teachers to focus on mentorship, creativity, and emotional support. AI teachers never tire, never forget, and always adapt, but they're not emotionless robots. They're designed to be empathetic, curious, and even funny. The bond between human students and AI mentors is becoming surprisingly strong. Chapter 6: Concerns we must address. Of course, every revolution brings challenges. Who controls the educational content AI teaches? What happens to student privacy in a data driven system? Could AI deepen divides between tech rich and tech poor schools? Experts urge a balance. AI should support, not replace teachers. Data should be used ethically with consent. Technology must be accessible to all, not just the elite, because education is a human right, not a luxury. Final chapter: The future is here. Sam logs in after dinner. His AI tutor Lumi has created a mini quiz based on his favorite game, Minecraft. He aces it, builds a real world solar panel in virtual reality, and earns digital badges recognized by global universities. He's 14, and he's not just learning, he's thriving. Final message: artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we learn, it's changing who can learn, when, where, and how well. The classrooms of the future aren't coming, they're already here. If this story inspired you, like, comment, and subscribe for more futuristic insights. Let's build a world where everyone has the power to learn. We conduct detailed research to create this content, but it's difficult to completely describe the story in short video. For more details, reference links are given in description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your support means the world to us.